Welcome to our channel. Begin an extraordinary adventure into the world of massive machines, where you'll see power and precision in action as advanced technology tackles tough challenges. Join us as we uncover the amazing engineering behind these giants. The Unix KU-800/7 is a large crawler crane with a Tier 4 engine producing 1,750 kilowatts and an operating weight of about 398,000 kilograms. It is designed for heavy-duty lifting and construction tasks. The Liebherr P995 Litronic is a powerful material handler with a 1,750 kilowatts engine and an operating weight of approximately 398,000 kilograms. It is used for handling heavy materials in mining operations and large construction projects. The K-Tech 1233 ADT is a high-capacity articulated dump truck with a 33-ton payload. It features a 330 horsepower engine, advanced suspension system, and durable construction, making it ideal for hauling heavy loads in construction. The Liebherr PR776 features a 12-cylinder diesel engine with 565 kilowatts and a maximum operating weight of 74 tons. It has a blade capacity of up to 22 cubic meters, ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The James R. Barker IMO 7390260 is a cargo ship operated by Interlake Steamship Company. Built in 1976, it measures about 1,013 feet long and is used for bulk and general cargo transport in the Great Lakes. The Vermeer T655 is a powerful trencher designed for digging trenches up to 36 inches wide and 60 inches deep. It features a 140 horsepower engine, advanced hydraulic systems, and durable components, making it ideal for utility and construction projects. The Latorno L2350 is a massive wheel loader with a bucket capacity of about 50 cubic yards and an operating weight over 200,000 pounds. It's designed for heavy-duty material handling in mining and large-scale construction. The High-Track M1600 is a tracked vehicle with a 400 horsepower diesel engine, an operating weight of about 16,000 kilograms, and is designed for heavy loads. It features a hydraulic steering system for stable operation on rough terrain. The Crawler Excavator R964C features a 6-cylinder diesel engine with around 350 horsepower, an operating weight of approximately 64,000 kilograms, and a maximum digging depth of 7.5 meters. It's designed for heavy-duty excavation tasks. The P&H 4800 XPC is a large electric rope shovel with a bucket capacity of up to 40 cubic yards, an operating weight of approximately 1 million pounds, and is used for heavy-duty mining and material handling in open-pit operations. The Caterpillar 627G is a wheel tractor scraper with a 450 horsepower engine, an operating weight of around 54,000 kilograms, and a bowl capacity of up to 27 cubic yards. It's designed for efficient earth moving and material handling. The RC800 per 140 by Constructora Calaf is a robust road roller with an 8-ton operating weight. It features a 140 kilowatts engine, advanced vibration systems, and heavy-duty construction, designed for effective compaction and finishing in road construction and civil engineering projects. The Deeper Fox SC850 Pro is a high-performance rock and soil auger with an 85 centimeters or 33.5 inches drilling diameter. It features a powerful 100 kilowatts motor, advanced hydraulic system, and durable construction for tough excavation tasks. The Komatsu 951XC is a track harvester with a 260 horsepower engine, an operating weight of around 33,000 kilograms, and a maximum cutting diameter of 70 centimeters. It is designed for efficient timber harvesting and processing. The CPG 500 track laying machine features a 350 horsepower engine, an operating weight of around 50,000 kilograms, and is designed for laying and maintaining railway tracks with high precision and efficiency. It excels in track construction and repair tasks. The Kometo Transporter Box Girder 622 features a load capacity of up to 600 tons, advanced hydraulic steering, and adjustable suspension for stability. It is designed to transport large and heavy box girders with precision and safety. The Liberty 284 is a large mining truck with a payload capacity of up to 400 tons, a 3,000 horsepower engine, and advanced mining technology. It is designed for efficient, heavy-duty hauling in mining operations. The Caterpillar 797F is a mining truck with a payload capacity of up to 400 tons, a 4,000 horsepower engine, and advanced safety and efficiency features. It is built for heavy-duty